Infrastructure development is at the top of the agenda for voters in central Kingston, which is shaping up to be a battleground seat in the next general election. The constituency, which voted orange for years, turned green in the 2020 general election. Andrea Chisholm has been speaking with the residents.
Kingston Central, home to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Jamaica Stock Exchange, National Heroes Park, Sabina Park, and parts of the business district in downtown Kingston. A constituency with just under 27,000 people, according to the 2011 population census done by Statin. It features communities such as Raytown, Rose Gardens, Franklintown, Fletcher's Land, and Almond Town. Priority issues for those communities: high school dropouts, poor parenting, low skill levels, limited opportunity for training, high levels of unemployment, and poor representation by elected political leaders. That data is from a 2007-2008 socio-economic survey done by the Social Development Commission (SDC). It's 2025, but several residents are still complaining about those issues.
We don't like a clinic, really a clinic. Yeah, and a little center where the kids can play, who want to play, can do have a little homework, a little skills. You know, a little center where can learn skills and them could stay in there.
You have a lot of building around here where we can use, you know what I mean, for other things. I just have them just being derelict and broken and all of that. We can put them together, have different entity, even little classes, because you have kids who leave school right now who still can't spell them name, but they have to go.
We need some people to have things where we can build and send out to other countries where we can get more manufacture in our place. But we don't have no factory.
And so Kingston Central's to-do list will be lengthy for the upcoming Member of Parliament. The incumbent, the JLP's Donovan Williams, will face the PNP's Steve McGregor. The constituency is considered a PNP stronghold, as the party has won the seat in every general election except 1944, 1983 and 2020. In the 2020 general election, Mr. Williams beat the PNP's Imani Duncan Price by 303 votes. Before that, the PNP's Ronald Thwaites had the seat for 3 consecutive terms. As at February 2024, during the local government elections, there were 22,595 eligible voters.
Nobody can't get out McGregor from around here.
So tell me what you like about Steve now.
He thinking about fix defense them. He have all kind of plan.
Others defended the work of Mr. Williams.
He has come here and done a lot for a lot of people. The only thing he hasn't get to do yet is the clinic, which he hasn't found a space for in the community as yet.
Okay, yes, so he has done a lot, like what?
He fixed a lot of roads, a lot of people's house burned down, he tried to help them.
Still, some remain on the fence.
From a young and a grown, them really come about, for 5 years, for 4 years, and after that when I see them back, so I'm going to find that interesting. So to me, I don't even know if I can say still, but that's useless, the whole politics thing. That only benefit them and only them.
The constituency of Central Kingston has 2 divisions, Almond Town and Raytown. Residents I spoke with were not afraid to state which party they would vote for. Traditionally, the PNP gets the most votes in Almond Town and the JLP gets the most votes in Raytown. But for this general election, the Lawrence Rowe factor will be on the minds of party workers.
Lawrence Rowe, a former caretaker and campaign strategist for Central Kingston, switched from the PNP to the JLP, accusing the PNP of betrayal and hypocrisy for removing him as the party's candidate. For one JLP supporter, politics has shifted.
We are not no Bustamante, nor Norman Manley politician again. We are politicians that who want performance and who want prosperity and a better life for we and our family.
And so residents are focused on development. Here at the popular Raytown fishing village, dilapidated buildings need attention. Dirty drains serve as a buffet for chickens. Like these animals, fisherfolk are contemplating the next course of action.
And the ranch them not so right. Most of them are league people living there free.
where it's not supposed to do, because it's fisherman ranch and people just come take it over and are living it free. And we used to pay rent, and the rent used to maintain the beach, like clean up, fix the bathroom and tile it. Now everything going down. We need a proper management fee.
That new management structure would include the collection of rental fees to maintain operations. Meanwhile, on the issue of crime and violence,
all of the bad man, they move run over dead, and police are control the place. Every 24/7 police they are to and from.
So I just hope it stay the same way, quiet and a peaceful election, no war, nothing.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.